For making this quick release knot, we put the rope inside a ring. In this case, I put it in a carabiner from below. We take a rope and we put it around the standing part like this. By doing that, what we have done is a little bite, as you can see. We have to be sure to keep this form. Then we turn around 2 times around the rope. We have done 2 loops. And then we put the running hand inside the bite from above, like this. Pull. We can pull a little bit more for tightening the knot. And then we put again the running hand inside the bite from below. As you can see, we have done just a little bite passing in this loop. Then we can tighten the knot. As you can see, the knot tightens itself, and it has this running hand here and this little bite. When we want to use the quick release, we pull this part and the knot comes undone.